my second YouTube video and I'm going to say that now. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. वीडियो का सबटाइटल तो आपने पढ़ ही लिया होगा, पावर ऑफ अ नाइट टाइम रूटीन. कुछ टाइम से मैंने ये नाइट टाइम रूटीन फॉलो करा है एंड मैंने कंसिस्टेंसी रखी है इस चीज़ में. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट टू शेयर दिस विद यू गाइज, बिकॉज इस नाइट टाइम रूटीन ने मेरी लाइफ बहुत चेंज कर दी है. फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई डू इन माई नाइट टाइम रूटीन इज आई प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ फॉर नेक्स्ट डे. अगर मैं अपना अगले दिन का टाइम टेबल नहीं बनाती हूँ तो आई एंड अप डूइंग नथिंग. लाइक शिट, मैंने टाइम टेबल क्यों नहीं बनाया, मैंने अपना पूरा दिन प्लान क्यों नहीं करा कि मुझे कब कब क्या करना है. एंड इफ़ आई शो यू, मेरी अभी नोटबुक साथ में ही है. दिस कंप्लीट नोटबुक इज़ फुल ऑफ मेरा पूरा इसमें रूटीन है. इट्स अबाउट टू एंड एंड आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड इट ओनली 6 months बैक एंड आई हैव सीन अ ब्यूटिफुल चेंज इन माई लाइफ. मुझे सुबह पूजा करनी है, फिर जिम जाना है, देन आई हैव टू कम बैक, आई हैव टू टेक शावर, आई हैव टू स्टार्ट विद माई brand store, and then I do my clothing brand work and I do makeup shoots, I do makeup bookings also. I end up doing a lot of things and I prepare myself. I have to give time to each and everything, that how much time I'm going to give my clothing brand, how much time I'm going to give to my bride, and meanwhile if I get time in between, what I'm going to do. So I plan it all. If I have to meet a friend also, then I have to plan it all, that at this time I'll meet her and I'll come back home by this time so that I can have a good sleep of at least good 6 hours. वैसे तो 8 hours अच्छा बोला जाता है, but at least 6 hours you should take a good sleep, else you're gonna get under eyes wrinkles, dark circles. And yeah, that's my thing, that I plan myself for next day, that what I'm going to do next day. Number 2 is, if I'm going to come back from an event and I have applied makeup, I'm dressed up, so what I'm gonna do is, because at that time I feel tired, okay, I'm going to take a shower. I clean up my makeup and I do my skincare. I take shower. If I feel like I'm tired, I quickly take a warm shower. Warm shower really relaxes my body. कोल्ड शावर से मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है. आई डोंट थिंक मैं कभी कोल्ड शावर ले पाऊंगी. नो, आई विल एंड अप फॉलिंग सिक एंड नो, कोल्ड शावर इज़ नॉट माई थिंग. आई एंड अप टेकिंग वार्म शावर, देन आई अप्लाई बॉडी ऑयल ऑल ओवर माई बॉडी एंड आई हैव डन दिस राइट नाउ ऑल्सो. मैंने अभी अपना हेड वॉश करा है एंड मुझे थोड़ा टायर्ड फील हो रहा था. आई वॉज फीलिंग थोड़ा सा my body was feeling tired, so I quickly took a warm shower. I washed my hair and मैंने भी हल्का सा blow dry भी करा है. And now I am having my green tea. Whenever I take shower, just make sure that I have my green tea. Having green tea before going to bed really relaxes my mind and it feels so good. It also reduces your guilt somewhere. Like if you had any guilt eating in whole day, like this is mindset. You can say this is a mindset that your brain connects to this. If you're gonna have green tea, then you might lose some calories, you might be burn some calories, and that's why. Cheers. Let's take a sip. I love this organic green tea. My favorite. It's been I think 10 years. I'm stick to only this brand. Okay, shower before bed and green tea is my second mandatory thing that I do. In summertime, I take shower every day before going to bed, but in winters, I avoid it sometimes. But if I feel tired, I just, turn on the geyser and I take my shower and then I go to sleep. जो कि मुझे जो भी चीज़ों से पहले करनी होती है, I just finish up that. Number 3, you will be maybe surprised or maybe you will not believe, but I am very spiritual. My Instagram audience knows that I am spiritual. I visit mandirs, I pray every day, I do puja every day, and I have recently started following up with this schedule that praying to God, always being grateful every day for what they have given me. I feel so lucky and so blessed. Yeah, before going to bed I listen to Premanand ji. Like उनकी बातों ने मेरी लाइफ में इतने चेंजेस लाए, इतने चेंजेस. एंड रिसेंटली मैंने उनको सुनना शुरू करा है एंड एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं जाता, इट्स बीन 1 month दैट मैं एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं जाता कि मैं उनको सुने बिना, मैं उठते हुए भी उन्हें सुनती हूँ और सोने से पहले भी उनकी बातें सुनती हूँ, बिकॉज इट ब्रिंग्स लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी इन माई लाइफ. इतनी क्लैरिटी मेरी लाइफ में लाई है उनकी बातों ने. इट्स अ रिचुअल फॉर मी बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड एंड वेकिंग अप. After waking up, I just make sure I listen to Premanand ji. Even whenever I do meditation in the morning, I just make sure that after doing meditation, focus meditation, I listen to Premanandji, his video of I think 15 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes. I read out the topics, and if I feel like I connect to this topic, I listen to it, and that brings clarity into my life. So before Premanandji, what I used to listen was something positive. I'm feeling like unbalanced in my life. I used to listen to Radha Swami ji a lot, a lot. 2.5 घंटे हो जाते थे मेरा वो उनका जो पॉडकास्ट, नो नॉट पॉडकास्ट, उनकी जो वीडियोस होती है सत्संग की, वो बंद ही नहीं होती थी. आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम ग्रोइंग और व्हाट, बिकॉज एट दिस एज आई विल बी टर्निंग 30 दिस ईयर, and I feel like maybe that's why I'm getting more spiritual, because you know, people usually when they come at this age, so they become spiritual, and maybe that's why I'm becoming. But I feel so good. You know, I left non-veg. मैंने non-veg पूरा छोड़ दिया था. मैं कहती थी मैं कभी नहीं छोड़ सकती non-veg, because you know I don't believe in all this and all. But there was a point when it came into my life, जब मैंने non-veg छोड़ने का एक बार try करा, for one month I left eating non-veg. And the change, the positivity, the clarity in my life, I was like, shit, what I was doing with my life. क्यों मैं वो खा रही थी? I used to have this perspective that I'm not killing those chickens and all. I'm not killing those. I'm not the, you know, I'm not the one जो कि ये पाप कर रहा है. And क्या हुआ खा लिया तो? But no, not at all. I'm not going to have non-veg ever. Not vegan, but vegetarian. I'm asking all my non-vegetarian friends, like, there is nothing forced. If they feel like, just leave non-veg for once and your life will be sorted. I cannot believe I'm telling this to you guys to do this. Okay, that was so good. Next, what I do is I leave my phone for good 10 minutes. I just get off my phone. Maybe I put it on flight mode. I keep it aside. Why keep it aside? Because I have to give myself 10 minutes doing nothing. Just lying on bed, sometimes looking at the ceiling, closing my eyes and, you know, focusing on what I have to think. So I give myself 10 minutes to be grateful for the things that I have, to the things that I want to achieve, to all the good things happen to me. And sometimes I recall some bad things, you know, what people did wrong to me and all, and I feel like, you know, karma is always there, and I feel like कि वो तब balance हो जाएगा, but मुझे कुछ गलत नहीं करना. So these 10 minutes I think about the world, I think about the things happening around me. वो जो पूरे दिन overthinking होती है, but वो 10 मिनट मैं अपने आप को देती हूँ कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें अच्छी भी हैं, ये छोटी मोटी चीज़ें उस चीज़ के सामने कुछ भी नहीं है. This is how I end up my overthinking. Good things are also happening. I just make sure that I'm grateful to the things that I have, and I pay gratitude to it, and yeah, that's it. So this is a very important part of my day, giving myself 10 minutes each and every day, and I just, you know, throw my phone aside. No notification, nothing, because I keep it on flight mode on. So next thing that I want to tell you guys, that go to bed on time. Okay, if you have fixed your time that आप 11 बजे सोना ही सोना है, then 11 बजे सोना ही है. If you are working, you know, you come back from your office around 8, 9. So don't just do this, that you are entering your home, you throw your shoes away and you just lie on bed and go to sleep. खाना खा के आया हूँ ये वो. No, never do that. Always wash your feet. बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है when you go to bed. Before going to bed, when you wash your feet, it brings so much positivity in your life, because you wash away the negativity. Okay, this brings a big impact in your life, and make sure you do this before going to bed. If you come back from work, wash your feet, wash your face, wash your hands, and if you already had dinner, then have something light like a green tea, or have some dry fruits. Just eat something, then go to bed. And never drink hot milk in the night time, because Premanandji says so. मैंने भी छोड़ दिया night time में गर्म दूध पीना. So don't drink milk at the night time, hot milk especially. And then eat some dry fruits and all. I usually eat makhana and all. I just roast it in ghee and I have it. Okay, and make sure you have good 6 to 8 hours of sleep, so that your skin is glowing, you are glowing, and you have an amazing day when you wake up. Last thing that I want to tell you all, that don't eat your dinner just before going to bed. It's very bad. It's very bad because you know your body takes time to absorb it and you know it processes it. तो वो थोड़ा सा body को energy लगानी पड़ती है उस चीज़ में and you know you end up being lazy the very next day. कभी भी notice करना अगर आप heavy खा के सोते हो अगले दिन आपको बहुत lazy feel होगा. That's why I told in the previous point that always eat light, eat dry fruit or makhana and just have it and yeah go to bed. And that's it guys. ये basic एक night time routine है that you should try to follow up. Always just do one thing. Just be grateful for what you have because what you have, some people are dreaming of it. They just want it. If I talk about right now, I'm grateful for so many things right now which people want, like a bed to sleep, a good blanket, a good cozy blanket, and the lights, the electricity, a cup of tea, and the laptop and the phone that I'm recording in, the light, everything. I am grateful for so many things that people are dreaming of that you know someday they will achieve it. Don't keep on complaining to the God that I don't have this, I don't have that. If you keep on complaining, you will never get it. If you start being grateful, you will get more in life. And that's what I've learned. And since the time I've started following this nighttime routine, I feel so grateful, so blessed, and I feel so happy. And yeah, it felt so good talking to you guys. Now I'm going to have my green tea and I'll give myself 10 minutes. That's it. I hope you loved this video and I hope you learned something and you are going to implement this nighttime routine in your life. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe it. Subscribe button is here down below and turn on the notification bell so that you get to know when I'm uploading a video, and don't forget to like it. If you have any questions or if you want to say something, so make sure you comment it down. And yeah, don't forget to embrace yourself every day.
Good at saying what